Our award-winning Family First Aid Kit contains 115 pieces of first aid essentials and is ideal for keeping at home or in the car so you can be fully prepared for any first aid emergencies. We've included all the essentials you'd expect, such as plasters, bandages, wipes and dressing, but we've also added some extras to make this a really comprehensive first aid kit. There's an instant cool pack, which is essential for bumped heads. There's also a digital thermometer for checking temperatures, a foil blanket for keeping warm, and burn gel sachets for instant relief. And these brilliant shears, which cut through seat belts and thick clothing in an emergency. Look at that. Every kit comes with a helpful information leaflet and a QR code which you can scan to access exclusive first aid videos and demonstrations so you can make sure you are prepared for any first aid situations. Now, as a mum of 6 myself, I know how often my children scrape their knees or bump their heads, so I keep a family first aid kit at home and another one in the car. My children love these cute bravery stickers, which never fail to put a smile back on their faces. Cute. We've packed all of this into our distinctive green and white bag. We wanted to design a first aid kit that looks good too, so it would make an ideal gift for new parents or baby showers.